Hello guys, welcome to MCQ Biology. This is part 4 of biological classification MCQs and also the last part. Let's get started. In 5 kingdom classification of Whittaker, some acellular organisms are not included. They are virus, viroids, lichens, both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. Virus is completely non-living, inert crystalline structure outside the living cell, cellular organism, one of Whittaker's classification. Correct answer is inert crystalline structure outside the living cell, but when it enters the cell, it's alive. Virus, the name means venom or poisonous fluid, a cellular form, non-cellular form, the connecting link between living and non-living. Correct answer is venom or poisonous fluid. Virus, the name was given by Ivanovsky, Pasteur, Whittaker, Beijerinck. Correct answer is Ivanovsky. Contagium vivium fluidium, infections living fluid. Name given to fluid extract from infected tobacco plant was given by Ivanovsky, Pasteur, Whittaker, Beijerinck. Correct answer is Beijerinck. It's hard to pronounce. Viruses are inert outside their specific host cell, obligate parasite, passes through bacteria proof filter. All above statements are correct. Correct answer is all above statements are correct. Means all the three statements are correct about viruses. Who showed that virus can be crystallized out? Ivanovsky, Beijerinck, Stanley, Pasteur. Correct answer is Stanley. Virus contains protein, DNA, RNA, or A and either B or C. Correct answer is D. That is, virus will contain protein and one of the things from DNA and RNA. Virus infected plants generally have single stranded DNA, double stranded DNA, double stranded RNA, single stranded RNA. Correct answer is single stranded RNA. Virus which infect animals have single stranded RNA, double stranded RNA, double stranded DNA, any of the above. Correct answer is any of the above. Bacteriophage generally have single stranded RNA, double stranded RNA, double stranded DNA, any of the above. Correct answer is double stranded DNA. Capsomeres may be arranged in helical, polyhedral, ellipsoid, either A or B. Correct answer is either A or B, means it can be helical or polyhedral. Potato spindle tuber disease is caused by virus, viroids, lichens, fungi. Correct answer is viroids. Viroids was discovered by Ivanovsky, Theo Diner, Beijerinck, Stanley. Correct answer is Theo Diner. Viroids are free protein, free RNA, free DNA, free saccharides. Correct answer is free RNA. The molecular weight of RNA of viroid is high, low, very high, any of the above. Correct answer is low. Lichens are symbiotic association between algae and bacteria, bacteria and fungus, algae and fungus, fungus and root of higher plants. Correct answer is algae and fungus. Can you please tell me for what kind of pollution we use lichens as an indicator? Please tell in the comments. In lichen, the algal component is called dash and fungal component is called dash. Mycobient, phycobient. Phycobient, mycobient. Phycobient, mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza, mycobient. Correct answer is phycobient, mycobient. So algal component is called phycobient and fungal component is called mycobient. Which one of the following is heterotrophic in lichen? Fungus, algae, both A and B, none. Correct answer is, I think you know the answer, it's fungus. Lichens are pollution indicators, symbiotic association between algae and fungus, pioneer species in primary succession on rocks, all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Which of the following is incorrect about lichens? Algae part is autotrophic, fungus part absorb nutrient and minerals, fungus provides shelter to algae, algae provides shelter to fungus. Correct answer is D, algae provides shelter to fungus. Subscribe the channel and follow us on Instagram. You can find the link in description. Thank you. Good luck.